Hello, my beautiful friends. Today, we're making powerful anti-aging and brightening face masks that help reduce wrinkles, fade dark spots, and even out skin tone. These masks are based on one simple ingredient, rice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss natural beauty recipes that really work. Let's get started. To prepare the base, add 2 tablespoons of rice flour into a bowl. Pour in enough water to cover it and let it sit for 20 minutes. Rice is rich in antioxidants and natural brightening agents. It softens, smooths, and evens the skin tone. After soaking, separate the extra water. You can use it to gently wipe your face with a cotton pad, morning or evening. Now, let's begin with the masks. First recipe, brightening and refreshing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. Benefits: this mask gently exfoliates, brightens dull skin, and boosts hydration. How to use: apply the mixture to your face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Second recipe, rejuvenating and firming. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Benefits: this combo improves elasticity, restores glow, and firms the skin. How to use: apply a thin, even layer to clean skin. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Follow with your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. Third recipe, softening and moisturizing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, half a teaspoon of olive oil. Benefits: this mask nourishes, softens, and helps fade dark spots. How to use: apply to clean skin, face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water, then splash with cool. Use 2 times a week. If you liked this recipe, like the video, comment, and share it with a friend. Fourth recipe, soothing and balancing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, benefits: aloe calms irritation, hydrates the skin, and improves texture. How to use: apply a generous layer to your face, neck, and chest. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Apply your moisturizer. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural skincare recipes. Fifth recipe: regenerating and anti-aging. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, a few drops of vitamin E, benefits: vitamin E helps repair skin, reduce fine lines, and improve elasticity. How to use: mix and apply a thin layer to clean skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water, then cool. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Sixth recipe: detoxifying and clarifying. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, ½ teaspoon of neem powder, benefits: this mask purifies the skin, reduces inflammation, and helps with breakouts. How to use: apply the mixture to your face and T-zone. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and finish with moisturizer. Use once or twice a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.